Hey folks, Mark here. Welcome back to the key. There's cleaners. Good towel. So you haven't used a piece of drive shaft or a implement for a while in the drive shaft, like summer implement versus a winter one. Get it cleaned up. Get rid of the old grease. Start over. You can get rid of all the grit that came with the last season's operations. You may think it's pretty clean, but as I'm cleaning this, I can feel the dirt, the sand and stuff. This is from the Finishing Motor, and of course it's kicking up dust and everything else. Don't take much, it's just grass, right? And unless you got an absolute manicured lawn, unlike us, maybe you end up with only grass. But really, that dust has a lot of grit in it. It'll just wear out your drive shaft a little bit sooner. And a clean drive shaft will actually accept grease better than a dirty one. There, much better. And when you're greasing it, don't be shy. You're gonna get dirty in this one. There we go. Clean your hands after you do that, or put on some gloves. That stuff's probably not good for you. Probably warning somewhere that we should read and say, yeah, don't do that. Also, don't forget to do the U-joints. They need that grease too. There. Once you see the new grease coming out, you should be good. Don't forget the splines. Got to clean them out and give them a fresh shot of grease. Same as the back on the tractor on the PTO. Also chases the spiders out. Cloth rags definitely works better than this stuff. Get her clean. This is the pin. If you look here, hopefully this isn't focus for you. Well, maybe I'll push that pin in. That's your lock mechanism, right? This one looks just fine. So that's the other half of the drive shaft. Now you can see that this guard has definitely had better days. We'll take off the pieces that are hanging and not doing any good. I'm going to leave the main plastic sleeve on to give me some protection. But the point I'm going to make to you is that the ears on your yokes, you want to line those up. So these ears should match up with the piece that's sliding in, and vice versa with the yokes on the U-joints. And don't forget to grease that U-joint, because otherwise it'll blow up on you. Don't do this job if you don't think you're going to get dirty. Or thinking you're not going to get dirty, because yeah, no, it's a farming movement. Unless you keep them spick and span, you're going to get dirty. Oh, that thing's coming out. Okay. Making a mess, making a mess. It doesn't hurt to wipe off big excessive. So it just makes a mess all over the place. End up on the wife's Bronco or something. That'd be bad. Okay. Look her up. Alright. Put that implement on. Got to clean off the PTO. Got to clean off the PTO. I guess that's unlike your drive shaft and everything else, which you just buy a new one and put it on. It takes a little bit more to put a new PTO link on your tractor. A little trick for tractors that have aft and mid-mount PTO output. You put it, generally speaking, if you put it in the mid-mount position when you're attaching something to the aft PTO, it should spin. And it does. So that's a good thing. I'll put a little bit of fresh grease on there. Grease is cheap, folks, compared to the parts that you're saving. Like I said, you don't want to get your fingers all greasy, put on a pair of latex gloves or something like that, or nitrile gloves, and spread it around. Okay, actually some greases, if you don't push it into the item, it won't stick. So, once you got things lined up, okay, quick, Gotta hear that click. You only hear that click, that drive shaft isn't attached. Top guard down. Now, like I said, this cover is in sad shape and needs to be replaced. It's going to do the job for now. So I'm going to move my tool pouch out of the way because I think it's in harm's way sitting there. So you're looking at right in the cab for now. Okay, let's go fix them on. One other thing you want to check, make sure that all your wheels move freely. They're not bound up. This guy is free floating and then some. Anyway, set it up on level ground. Try to make sure that everything's close to level. Your lawn will love you for it. Anyways, thanks for watching, folks. Hope it was a little bit informative, entertaining, and all that good stuff. And don't forget to like. Take care, folks. Subscribe. Ciao for now.